Would you kill one person to save 5? Let's say you're driving a trolley and the brakes fail. Ahead of you, 5 workers are on the track and you're headed straight for them. You see a side track, but there's 1 worker there. Do you turn the trolley, sacrificing 1 person to save the 5? Most people say yes. It feels like the right choice, saving more lives. Now, what if you're not the driver? You're standing on a bridge overlooking the same scene. This time, the only way to stop the trolley is to push a very large person standing next to you off the bridge and onto the tracks. Their weight would stop the trolley, saving the 5 workers, but they would die. Would you do it? Suddenly, most people say no, absolutely not. But wait, isn't it the same math? 1 life for 5? Why does our moral compass spin so wildly? This is the classic trolley problem, and it perfectly captures the central debate in moral philosophy. The first choice, turning the trolley, is a form of consequentialist reasoning. You're focused on the outcome. 5 lives saved is better than 1. This is the heart of utilitarianism, a philosophy championed by Jeremy Bentham, which aims to create the greatest good for the greatest number. But the second scenario, pushing the person, feels different. It feels like murder, plain and simple. This feeling comes from categorical moral reasoning, the idea that certain actions are just fundamentally wrong, regardless of the consequences. Think of the philosopher Immanuel Kant, who argued that we have absolute moral duties and rights. These aren't just abstract thought experiments. In 1884, a real-life case, the Queen versus Dudley and Stephens, tested these principles. 4 sailors were shipwrecked, starving in a lifeboat. After weeks, 2 of them killed the youngest and weakest, a cabin boy named Richard Parker, and ate him to survive. They were rescued days later. Their defense: necessity. It was 1 life for 3. Sounds like the trolley problem, right? But the court and many of us today found their actions morally horrifying. Was it because the cabin boy didn't consent? What if they had drawn lots? Would that have made it fair? These are the questions that define our understanding of justice. This course dives deep into these dilemmas, exploring the ideas of great thinkers like Bentham, Kant, Aristotle, and Locke, to help us navigate the tough moral questions we face every day. It's a journey that might challenge your deepest beliefs, but it's essential for understanding ourselves and the world we live in. Ready to explore what's truly the right thing to do? Join the conversation and let's find out together. Thanks for watching.